Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Virgos. If you want more clarity, if you have some doubts, some questions, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys. That may answer your questions or doubts. So let's start with these cards first for your general energies, guys. So we have Devil in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Page of Cups. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. You are making a lot of efforts today, guys, relentless efforts. You are working hard, trying hard. Maybe you want to achieve something, you have a goal, and you are doing everything possible in your limits to reach that goal. So what it is? It may be something in your work, you want to complete certain things, maybe some projects or something you need to complete within a timeline, so you are working hard for that. Or maybe for some of you, you are recuperating from some illness, some recovery. So it may be your energy or this person's energy, someone who is really close to you. It may be their energy. So you are helping them, you are taking care of this person. So that may be the reason for these cards. So you are looking after this person, guys. Maybe it may be this person you love. And maybe for some of you, they are either suffering from some illness or they may have some addictions. So some addictive behavior is also the reason for some troubles today, guys. So they are trying hard to overcome this difficult situation. They want to give up these addictions, but however hard they are trying, they are unable to handle. And maybe you may or you would have felt this person is reliable, trustworthy. It may be this person you love, but they have broken your trust in some ways. Maybe they are lying to you and they are they are out of control. So it may be this addiction situation, or it may be entirely a different thing. So for some reason they are not honest or they are lying, guys, and that is causing a lot of pain for you, because you have done so much for them. You have helped them a lot, but what are they showing in return? So your love is not being reciprocated, guys. That is what you feel, and you lack that trust, or you really don't trust them anymore, Virgos. But you need not worry, guys. There is some kind of a good news reaching you today. So it may be a good news in your relationship. Maybe they have something important to tell you, something positive that is going to make you happy. Or it may be a good news in your career situation, guys. So let's see what it is. So we will see the card for your relationship first. So it's Knight of Cups in reverse. So maybe this person is not entirely true to you, guys. Maybe they are they are not speaking the truth, trying to deceive you in some ways. So that is what I see with this card. So maybe they are not to be trusted, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So it is Ace of Wands. So maybe the good news we were speaking about, maybe something to do in your career. So you may be getting a new opportunity in your career situation, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want to watch more on for getting clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys, cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself, so you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.